Wow, 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 you guys. What a fantastic lot. I can't wait to get started. Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time with Jewel by Deborah. Well, I dug out one of my older boxes. This is from Phoenix, Arizona. Only one piece of tape, so it shouldn't take me too long to get through. There we go. So this came from Phoenix. I received it 11/21/2023. So let's see when I place the order. November 17th, 2023. Oh, my son's birthday. All right, well, no air pillows. Hey, a bag. We're winning already. Let me go ahead and pull this out. So if you're new here, I'm Deborah, Time with Jewel by Deborah. What I will be doing in this video is I will be opening up this 15-piece jewelry. I will pull it out. We'll look at it. I'll give you prices, and I will put a number with each item. And that way you'll claim it via email at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com if you are interested. So let's go ahead and see if we got 15 pieces. That's what we're supposed to get. All right. I'm going to move you guys a little bit here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I will take everything out of the bag, get you prices, description, any information I can about the item, and if it needs to be tested, I will test it and make sure that it is, you know, if it's marked sterling, it's sterling, and I will give you all that information, and then we will get started. I'll see you in 1 second. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is a great lot. All right, so our first item are a pair of gold tone earrings. These kind of remind me of like a sea glass. They are not glass. They are a very pale green, and they do have some specks in them. They're really cute. They are acrylic, and they are rectangular, 2 inches. So number 1, we'll go ahead and do... let's do $3 on those. Super pretty. And I'm going to bag them while I'm here. So make it a little bit easier as we go. All right. Number 2 is a pair of J. Crew earrings. These are lovely. I love these colors for spring and summer. I love this raspberry in there. I think they're fantastic. So they're a typical brass tone. They measure in at 1 1/4 inches. We're going to do that number 2, and we're going to do those for, let's do those for $8. Super pretty. All right, and that was number 2. All right, so number 3 are beautiful. Beautiful. I love Kendra Scott, but I love these even more. So these are the Palmer earrings, and boy, are they most wanted item for a lot of people. So they are silver tone. They measure in at 2 inches, and they are iridescent blue lace agate. Just absolutely lovely. So for these Kendra Scott number 3, we can do these for $40. These are beautiful. Put that in the bag. Try to save a little bit time, be a little bit more efficient. All right. So number 4 is an Express 18-inch gold tone chain. It's really pretty. This, I believe, is called the Anchor Puff chain. So it is 18 inches. It is by Express, and we can go ahead and do that for $5. Get that bagged. All right. Number 5 is super pretty. This is J. Crew. So you've got the beautiful condition. I don't think this was ever worn. Links here. It's very long. And then you have 3 leather tassels. I've seen a lot of them with the 2 tassels, but not the 3. This is just an absolutely fantastic necklace. It's in great condition. It measures in anywhere from like 28 to 30 inches, depending on the extender. Number 5, we'll go ahead and do this for 15. All right. So I got 10 inches of my hair cut off, you guys. I'll have to post a picture in either in this video or on my community page. Boy, does it feel great. All right, next week I'll be coloring it. All right, so number 6 is Maryland Ship. So let me go ahead and pull this over. So that is Maryland Ship. It is a very long station necklace with little discs. And then you have the larger discs at the end. These are 36 inches long, and it's number 6. We'll go ahead and do that for $5. I like Marilyn Ship's jewelry. I think it's very pretty. She was newer to me the last few years. I did get a lot of her items, so I am familiar with her product now, you know, a couple years later. So number 7 is 2 strands. So here you've got your extender. Then you have these beautiful acrylics. Let me see if I can lay this out. All right, it's very long. So you have 2 different lengths. It's going to lay like this. So the first length is 28 inches total length. And then the bottom is it's 26 and 28 inches. It is by Talbot's. Really beautiful colors. I love the primary colors. It's number 7. We'll go ahead and do the Talbots for $5. All right. Number 8. Okay, you guys, this is not for sale. I am doing some mega research on this. So, look at this. So I know this is a simulated ruby. It tests as a ruby. These test as diamonds. Okay. So the back of this says 10 karat gold on it. But when I test it, it's testing as 14 karat gold. So I tested it on my key tester. It is also saying it is 14 karat gold. And then the chain is marked 585, which is 14 karat gold, and that is also testing as 14 karat gold. So I know my testers are good. You know, that's why I use the acid, and then I also back it up with the key tester. So this is absolutely stunning. It is marked on the back NRB. So I think it is by Mr. Bracelet Company. And if you guys ever go to his website, now you will see why I am not selling it right now. I am going to do a deep dive into it to find out, but it is fantastic. So you have a faceted ruby, sterling silver, diamond, 14 karat gold. It is absolutely fantastic. It's 16 inches, so it's a little short, but you know, we could throw an extender on that. So as of right now, number 8 is not for sale. So sorry, you guys. I really do need to do some more heavy research on that one. All right. Oops, I was grabbing numbers from the wrong place. So number 9 is Kendra Scott. Now this does come with its bag. So it came in the bag. This is beautiful. It is silver tone. It is the Kendra Scott Danielle necklace in the mother of pearl. It measures in at 30 inches. We can do it for $30. So number 9 is for 30. It's beautiful. All right. Number 10. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I really enjoy them as much. Okay. So this next necklace is, wow. Okay. There's no good way to present this. It's just phenomenal. So first we have White House Black Market, new on the tag, $120 in the store. So what we have, and this is heavy, It is all encrusted with rhinestones. It is in a gunmetal. Then you have faux pearls. Then in the center here, you have rhinestones. And then rinse and repeat as you go down, and you have tassels. So this is absolutely a stunning, stunning piece. I have not found any missing crystals or beads. I will definitely give it a once over again. But this is fantastic. So it measures in anywhere from 16 to 18 inches, and it was originally 120. We can do it for 50. So number 10 will be 50. It's beautiful. I was like wondering why my box was so heavy. All right. Number 11 is a new to me company. So let's see if I can lay this one out as well. All right, so this is by, let me show you. Okay, it's got a Hamza. It's called Karma and Luck. That's the name of the company. So I'm going to try to relay this out without tangling it. And if I ever send anything with a tangle, know that or I should say, when I show you something and it's tangled, I will get that tangle out. I use toothpicks. So as of right now, I might have to pause this and use such toothpicks. So, all right, hold on. All right, so I'm going to get this laid out. I love to use the toothpicks because they're soft and they grab well. So I had this all laid out so beautifully on the side over here, but when I picked it up, it tangled. So I just work at it like this. This is how I do my gold chains as well, especially the more dainty 14 karat gold chains or 18 karat gold chains. All right, I'm going to finish this off screen, be right back. All right, I got it untangled, but now you guys see why it got tangled. So we have two strands here. It is gold over brass. We have a tourmaline here, and then you come down to the Y, and this has tourmaline, and then you come down here to the point. Really beautiful. I couldn't get a good test on that. It could be citrine, but it is absolutely beautiful. So it's called Karma and Luck. It's the Y drop necklace. They sell for about $80 or $90 on their website. For number 11, we can go ahead and do, let's do 15 on that. So number 12 is stunning. It is sterling silver and cubic zirconia. This is a size 7 ring. I love this. It has all its CZs. It is really a pretty, pretty ring. We can go ahead and do, let's do $12 on this. It is a beautiful piece. All right. Lots of sterling in here. Gold too. I mean, come on, right? And this has been sitting here since November, you guys. Okay, number 13. Guess what? It's sterling silver. So sterling silver chain, sterling silver here. Now this looks like a black or a deep, deep green. These are cubic zirconia. It is testing as sterling. Here is the back. It is an 18-inch chain. It is really pretty design. Number 13, we'll go ahead and do 20 on that. So gorgeous. Okay. Number 14 is, guess what? Sterling silver. So this is sterling silver, beautiful chain. And then you've got 3 leaves with cubic zirconia. I did test them. They are marked FAS on the back and then 925. So this measures also in at 18 inches. We'll go ahead and do this lovely necklace for number 14 for 20. All right. The last piece is so cute. So cute. All right. So number 15 is sterling silver again. So we've got a sterling silver chain, and I'll get that out, not a problem. So I think this is a Labrador Retriever. Isn't that precious? So it is sterling silver, and there's a mark on the bottom that's an S, and it's like it's in a circle with a crown on top of it. Still kind of researching it, but it is just such a fun piece. It is 5.6 grams. and it will be number 15. We can do 30. So what do you guys think? What a fantastic box. And it's been sitting here since November. So I'm excited. I'm hoping some of my older boxes are just as great. So I want to thank you guys all for being here. And don't forget, if you are interested in any of these items, claim by number by emailing me at timelessjewel@deborah@gmail.com. And I will keep a completed sold list right down there. If you're a new client, either fill out the Jotform, there is a link in the description area, or you can email me at timelessjewel@deborah with your information. All right, you guys, well, I have some fun boxes coming up, some purses, a whole bunch of stuff, and I should be having some more clearance sales as well. So, all right, you guys, well, you have a fantastic day or night wherever you are in this crazy little world of ours. So, as always, be well, take care of each other, and please tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.